classification system can be very confusing. So we try to find a way to easily explain to you how we sort our wines. And
do you color code the top of your wine bottles as to some of the German winemakers as to what is sweet, what is dry?
No, we're not really doing it this way. I explain you how we do it. So first of all, I need to tell you that we do 3 different kinds of wine style.
Okay.
Yeah? So 1/3 of our wines is totally natural.
Okay.
You know, natural wine is a very, very important and interesting thing happening at the moment, and we are perhaps one of the few in the VDP that are really focusing on that. So natural wine means no sulfur added and no filtration.
Okay.
So that's one category. Then we have the second category, what is perhaps what you expect from Rheinhessen.
Right.
It's classical dry Riesling from estate level to the Grand Cru ones.
Okay.
And the third category is fruity cabinets.
Okay.
And that's perhaps our most loved category because it's the most German thing we can deliver.
Okay.
Deliver wines that are extremely refreshing and so easy to combine with almost everything to eat. And now we come to the VDP classification.
So, can you explain the fruity cabinet style?
Can we do that later?
Okay, yeah, sure.
I just want to introduce you to the 3 categories. And then we have the VDP classification of VDP Gutswein, VDP aus Erstenlagen, what is more or less Premier Cru, and then we have VDP Große Lager, what is Corps Cru. Yeah?
Okay.
And if we mix these 2 systems, we come to a 3x3 that looks
very interesting.
like this.
Okay.
Yeah? So we have 9 fields of wine style.
Right.
And now I think it's quite easy to talk about wines because each wine has a fixed category, has a fixed
point. So you
point.
have a 3x3 matrix down there.
Yes.
Okay.
So this matrix really helps to explain, and even for us to work in the vineyards, it helps us to guide because we need already in the vineyards to decide if these grapes are going to be natural wine or if we are talking about cabinet.
Okay.
And so if we do this category, we can now talk about the 3 natural wines we have, then we can talk about the 3 dry Rieslings, and then we can talk about cabinets.
Okay, now it's clear.
Okay, so I would love to get a shot of water.
Okay, please.